Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce freelance isolation with Meetup, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by acknowledging the feeling of isolation that many freelancers experience. Recognize that working alone can lead to loneliness and a lack of motivation. Introduce Meetup as a platform designed to connect people with similar interests. Start by creating a free account on the Meetup website or app. Once signed in, explore interest categories that resonate with you. Search for local groups focused on freelance work, networking, or your specific industry. Take note of upcoming events that pique your interest. Read the descriptions and check the number of attendees to gauge the event's popularity. Select events that fit your schedule and workflow. Consider attending a mix of social and professional gatherings. When attending, make a plan to introduce yourself to at least 3 new people. Prepare a brief introduction about yourself and what you do. Bring business cards or contact information to share with new connections. Remember to ask others about their work and interests to foster conversation. Stay open to connecting with people outside your immediate professional circle. After the event, follow up with new contacts via email or social media. Consider joining additional Meetup groups to expand your network. Host your own Meetup event to attract like-minded freelancers. Encourage group members to share tips and support each other's projects. Engage regularly with your newfound community to strengthen relationships. Reflect on the benefits of meeting others in similar situations. Monitor how these connections can positively impact your freelance experience. Utilize the resources and opportunities that arise from these interactions to combat isolation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.